today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to design this progress infographic in PowerPoint. Let's get started. Go to format background. We will give it some different color. Insert by holding Shift Alt key and drag. Shape outline, make it no outline. Shape fill, we will give this color it. Go to gradient, I think so, this color and this color. Go to more colors and make it light, that it looks pretty. Control D to duplicate it and decrease from the height. Place at the center. Select both. Control G to group it. 3D rotation. Select this one. Rotation, I think so, 304.9 degree, and Y rotation will be 312.4 degree, and Z rotation will be 59.4 degree. It's okay. Go to 3D format, go to depth, and depth will be 30. Okay, now place it here. Control D to duplicate it and select send to back. Depth will be now 50. It's okay. Control Z and okay, and place it here. Left, align very carefully. It's okay. Control okay. Control D to duplicate it and send to back. This time depth will be 70. Depth 70. Depth yes, it is 70. Okay, and enter. Press enter and place it here. Align perfectly. I think so. It's okay for now. Control D to duplicate it and right click, send to back. Depth will be 90 this time. Control D to duplicate it. And depth will be 110. Place it here. You can make these steps according to your requirements. How many steps do you need? According to your requirements, create these steps and place it here. It's now 6. Control D to duplicate it, and depth will be 150. Okay, and send to back. Select all and place at the center of the slide and put it down. Now we will change their gradient colors. Pick this one and recent use color this one. Reduce the size and the color, decrease the color, and this one I think so it's okay, and go to more color, decrease the color, okay, go to more colors and decrease the color to the light. You will give some color, more color, yes, it's okay, and go to more color, it's okay for now. More color, yeah, some green color, decrease the color to the light, it's okay. Text 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, select Franklin Gothic, Franklin Gothic heavy, and maybe 32 is okay. Take a rectangle fragment, delete extra parts and delete also this one. Go to shape format, shape outfill, no outfill, and now go to 3D rotation, yes, 3D rotation, then this will be okay, yes, place it here, Control Shift C and Control Shift V, Control Shift V, place it here, 2 3, place it here, Control Shift C and Control Shift V, place it here, Control Shift V to transfer the effects of a number to a desired number, that we will put it in a perspective. So Control Shift V and put it here. Take this arrow, shape fill white, shape outline no outline, and now we will go to rotation, 3D rotation, I think so, X rotation will be 348.6 and Y rotation will be 6 2 or 3, okay, 2.3, and Z rotation will be 77.38. Place it here. Yes, I think we should give it some width. Go to insert, take a free line segment, okay, and click out of the slide. Shift outline, make it, give it some dark color, gray color, dark gray color. Send to back, insert, all shape, fill, no fill, outline, make it some gray color and place at the top of okay. Select both and Control G to group it. Send to back, Control D to duplicate it, place it here, Control D to duplicate it, Control D to duplicate it, and make it align. Control D to duplicate it and bring to the down step, select all and send to back. I have some written text and I will bring this to save the time. Control V to paste it here. Okay, Control D to duplicate it and Control D to duplicate it. Control D to duplicate it, make it align. We will bring some icon, go to insert icons. We need 7 icons, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and you can bring your desired icons. Every time I bring these icons because this is just a template, and you can find your desired icons in these icons. Place it here and place it here. Okay, we will give the desired step color to the icons, graphic fill, eyedropper, and select. Go to graphic fill, eyedropper, and select, and so on. Now place at the whole design at the center. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get every time a new design. Thank you.